to deal with. Just see, okay? Yes, 1 minute.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, get ready. Yes, we are going to deal with cooked food and raw food. Hope all know about cooked food. Food we cook things, vegetables, anything what you cook are called cooked food. Some vegetables
Ma'am,
you leave. Yes, children,
should we write
see, let me know who's this, please. Who's this? Tell me the name, then only I'll start.
one,
Tell me the name who asked me the question. Should I start?
one,
Sona. Who's that, ma? Tell me.
one.
See, I told you you are not supposed to ask whether to write unless I tell you. Okay, don't worry about it. Nothing to write. Nothing to write, ma. Nothing. When you come little late, you will be confused. Don't write anything. Please don't write.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, good. Don't try to be on time. Okay. Now don't write. Don't write. Just listen. See, you're disturbing because all are set to attend the class now. Okay. Now see, we are just going to deal with raw food which is not cooked. Now see, now carrot you eat without cooking. Now rice you can't eat without cooking. So all raw. Now just see raw food. Foods that have never been cooked. Now don't worry about the notes because only you have to keep in your mind raw means not cooked. That's all. Okay. In between, please don't turn on your phone. Somebody is talking. Now, foods are suitable for food. Most raw food, you just see there. Raw fruits and raw vegetables. See, fruits you will be eating raw. Okay. And certain vegetables you will use in salad or something. Even raw you will eat. Okay. And fruits. And some people will just boil banana. Okay. Other than that, all will be eating fruits raw. Please listen carefully. Some
Ma'am, should we
disturbance.
write this?
Let me know the name, please. Did you join just now? Every time I'm telling, don't disturb me when I take class. I will ask you to, you cannot write all these children, this only notes to make you understand because you don't have a textbook. I will tell you with classwork, then you can write. See, when I talk like this in between to everybody, you are losing your time for the class. Parents, please see to this again. Now, dried fruits that you will eat, you will add dried fruits when you make cake, even ice cream, you will get, if you make it at home, you will add all this. Otherwise, somebody is going on talking in between. Please turn off your camera and the mic. See, fruit and vegetable juices that is not cooked. Okay, you make fruit juice, even some vegetables, mango when it's raw, you can make juice out of it. Only you have to read, no need to say anything now. Cooked and sprouted beans, that's very good for health. Many people will eat that. Now, raw nuts. Nuts. Full time somebody is disturbing me. Lot of noise. Now, that's about raw food. Dried fruits you can eat, fresh fruits you can have, fresh fruit juice you can have, then some kind of vegetable juice you'll make, carrot juice, then raw mango you make. Now coconut water or milk. Okay, both you will have coconut water. That is tender coconut you'll get, and it's quite costly during summer season. All this you take in without cooking. See, I will show you the items. Here, this is tender coconut. Now, when you see the picture, you'll have it in your mind. Okay, you will never forget. That's what it's tender coconut. Water will be there. Tender coconut means it's not formed to be a coconut where you use for all your gravy and all that to make fish curry, mutton curry, all that. This is only just tender, not yet formed as coconut. So you will get. I'm sure that you must have taken this. Now don't tell I took, ma'am. I'll take, ma'am. I'll drink, ma'am. I know that. You just watch now. This is coconut, okay? Tender coconut. Sia, sprout. When you go to all this Paramudir Nilayam and vegetable shop, you will get all this. This one is very, very good for your health. It's not cooked, it's all raw.
Ma'am, my mommy gives sprouts.
Good. Now 70 of you, ma'am, if you call, that's all. But you listen, okay? I know that. So excited to answer by seeing this picture. Now see, dried fruits, lovely ones. See all this? All these you'll take in, I'm sure, because I've seen many of you bringing. Okay, my class last year students, they used to bring, they used to throw and play around with this. And I used to just warn you, children, even you first standard children used to come to my class during break time. Now you see dried fruits. Now see all this here, cucumber you can make juice and fresh juice. Tomato you can make, see there, carrot, everything they make. And I am sure you also will be drinking. Your parents are taking care of your health and they take all these things and they'll make and they'll give you. You must not waste.
Ma'am, I love juice, ma'am.
Yes. Now, just watch. And both together, vegetable and fruits together, it's not cooked. It's all raw. See there, some kind of beans, then cucumber. Have you seen this? Yes, some fruits all mixed. Right. Nuts. See there. And one thing I want to tell you, if these things are very, very costly, okay, all the nuts and fruits and all this, dried fruits, everything. Vegetables you can get cheap. You must not waste your food. This is just an instruction for you. You must not waste your food by throwing it into the dustbin because your parents will scold you. Okay, must not waste your food when you bring food to school. You must complete, you must eat it fully, then only you must go and play in between. Is it clear to you? Yes. Now you finish. Now see there.
Drink, ma'am.
Yeah. You see the first one, coconut. Just yes.
Drink called kashayam. It's
Kashayam.
good for
Very good. Yes, that's very good. Some children won't like it, but it's good for
Taste
your.
bad, you have to drink it.
Yes, you have to drink it. Sprout. SPROUT. It's all raw.
This evening I
beans.
drink kashayam.
See now, yes, I heard in between. Don't disturb, please. Dried fruits in school means I can answer you. This is all children are watching, and please don't disturb. Okay, dried fruits. Just try to read in your mind. Dried fruits, juice, vegetables, then fruits together mixed, dried nuts. So all these are raw food. Now let's see the cooked food. See here, cooked food that have been cooked. See, without cooking, you cannot eat all this. Okay. See the picture over there. All the vegetables together, and it will be very tasty. No need to put any masala or anything. Just boil it. Boil. And see, cooking. Don't worry. Only listen to me. It will take time for you to read. Cooking also generally improves the taste and aroma of food. See, some vegetables, I'm talking about vegetable because it's shown here, vegetable. Only when you cook, the taste will come. Understood? You cannot eat beans raw. You won't like it. Okay, which makes it much more enjoyable to eat. So when you cook certain things, it will give you a different taste. Even tomato you can have raw, but if you cook and eat, if you put in gravy, different taste and smell these vegetables will give. Okay, now see. Cooked food has been baked, that is undercooked food, all these variety will come. Baked one, roasted one, fried, boiled. All these are called cooked food. Okay. Baking means you'll bake cake, biscuits, roast it. So you'll roast banana with ghee and eat, then bread, then fried chicken, other things, egg, then boiled. You'll use to bring boiled egg to school. Okay, because it's good. You can't eat raw. Just no need to write anything. Just keep in your mind and listen. Just observe the pictures. Now see here, cooked food. I'm going to show you. See the vegetables already finished cooking and it's ready. And here see this. All mixed up, paneer, this, that, fruits. See the fruits over here, an apple, all this also. Some countries they'll eat different because Tamil Nadu we eat different way of food. Like curd rice and all. When you go abroad, other states, that is not very important over there. Here you eat rasam rice. Okay, according to each state, the food, their preparation will be changed. Even the masalas they use for the gravy. Now see a meat, the chicken is roasted nicely over there. Understood? See the vegetable, it's cooked well. And the fruits also, certain kind of roasting like. And the meat. Now, let's see the next one. Spinach. Of course, all these, you must not put such a lot of gravy and all. Just boil and eat also, it will be good. Put little gravy and do it, okay? Like masala, not so much. So all, you make that kheer rice, you'll see. You make all that and use to bring. It's very good for, I prefer this Tamil Nadu food. It's very good for health. Okay, it will give you more strength. Now see your dal can be made into different gravy. You use it for sambar, then some other gravy, then you make dal rice. The chapati, it looks like puri actually because the dough you made is very nice. See there? And you can make chapatis at home and eat instead of buying from ready-made one from the shop. I know that all the parents are so much worried about the children because they don't eat food. Sometimes they bring all kinds of food, lovely food, and they are ready to play opening the tiffin boxes. Don't worry, parents, we will take care of them when they come to school. Now you make them eat on time. You have to have your breakfast on time, lunch, dinner. In between, little snacks and some juice, tea, or whatever it is. Now see the vegetable, how it's cooked, fruit, it's roasted, and they made it so well. Meat, spinach, dal, chapati. Now, healthy food. Yes, here you have to be very, very careful. When you go out with your parents, you must eat healthy food. What are the things you have to avoid? See here, first one, I know that all like that. Yes, if you see it, you'll tell, ma'am, I like this. Even in canteen when they sell, I'm not telling you not to buy, but once in a month, once in 2 weeks, not every day. Burger, see there? But see the healthy fruit there, right side? That is when you're just facing the screen. See left side? The red mark, that's junk food. You can have once in a while, not every time. Okay? Because you won't be able to cut at once. Now see here, healthy food. All these are healthy food. One side all the fruits, then the leaves which can be eaten raw, then nuts, apple, tomato, cucumber, strawberry, everything is there. You just have a look. Even mushroom is good, but you have to cook and eat. I'm not telling about all raw food here. Certain things you have to cook. All spinach, all that you have to cook and eat. Cabbage. Okay, children. Now, very good, all attentive. Don't try to read now. We'll have time when you get your textbook. The proteins from lean meat and nuts improve your brain functions. We have to eat fresh meat and nuts. Don't go to the cold storage and get all the thing. It's already stored over there. You try to get fresh meat. Okay. Now, having multigrain breads, sprouts, low fat, dairy item, DAIRY. There is a spelling mistake, sorry. And fruits, it's not dairy, it's dairy, DAIRY. And fruits will give you a good amount of nutrition, dried fruits and dairy products, all milk products, okay? Butter, all that. Okay, children. Who's this? Dairy, it is DAIRY. It's not dairy. The next item, it will help to control your weight, cholesterol, blood sugar level, and blood pressure. See, nowadays, even small ones will have some sugar problem or that. That is not because of their fault. Sometimes hereditary from the parents they get. Don't worry about all that. All can be controlled. Okay. Now, next one. Nutritional food will prevent you from all sorts of heart diseases. When you have proper food, proper healthy food, you will not fall sick and you won't face any heart problem. Don't worry about all that because you're too small to understand all this. Now, healthy food is rich of energy such as fresh fruits and vegetables, leafy greens, nuts, sprout, yogurt, and honey, etc. That you can just see the picture and have a look at it. No need to read anything now. Okay, now we'll go to the next one. Now, healthy food. Somebody's talking, please. Please stop talking, children. Now, healthy food. See the picture and the thing. Fresh spinach. Next. Next. See, already we finishing sprout, curd, honey, see vegetables and fruits, and dried nuts. Understood, children? Here, all these are very good for your health. Now, please, children, don't disturb because we have to do certain things now. So, these are the healthy food. Okay. Now, already we finished seeing all this. When I taught you about the leaves, we use the sprout, then curd. We make curd from milk. Then about honey, vegetable fruits, dry fruits. Now see the junk food with attractive colors here. When you see it, you feel like eating. Junk food. It's not good for your health, and you are not supposed to take here junk food. Try to avoid. Once in a way or once in a while you can have. That's all. Very tastier. See that? I'm telling you, 1+1, it's very tasty, but that's not good for your health. See, when you boil certain things, it won't give you any taste. When mother or your mommy cooks, it will be tasty. But here, everything they'll mix and unwanted things, and that will spoil your health. Of course, when you have this kind of food, you will have stomach pain or you'll vomit or something will happen. Then you'll take leave, you won't come to school. When you go for outing, I'm not blaming you, I'm not asking you not to go out, but try to avoid all this. Junk foods add to pounds and pounds of weight. Yes, suddenly, Fessy, I don't know when I come to school whether I am put on weight or whether you won't be able to recognize each other because eating lovely food at home plus junk food. Yes, I know nobody is but some children are just following what your parents are telling. So go on. Now you can't go out. Yes.
Ma'am, we
Yes.
never buy
Good.
anything, ma'am. We
Very good.
only
Now
make
you can't go.
homemade, ma'am.
Yes. Very good. Very
I
good. Now you
only
can.
we started to make only homemade. No
Yes, very
buying,
good. Now
ma'am.
see, now it's a time to just complete the class. You have to be very, very careful because there is something to do. Now, high calories, don't worry about it. Please, children, listen, parents, just take care of them because I know that all want to talk. 1 minute. The high calories, don't worry about that. It reduces. Okay, good, good. See here, you must be very careful. You must avoid junk food. That's all. We are just telling you. All packet and fried foods are rich in trans. Listen to this. You must not eat this Lays and all that. I know you like to eat, but you slowly cut down on that. Now, it results in high blood sugar, and please turn off your phone, please. Sugar and high cholesterol. Okay, that is for elderly people now. You have different kind of food. Okay, elder people they cannot eat like how you eat. Okay, now see here, pizza, see here, then fried potato and little bit late. Wait, and see the chocolates. You can have little, not much. This you must avoid completely. Chips, white bread. I'm not asking you to cut fully bread and all that, but you must slowly cut. It's not very good. Sugary, soft.
About by
Now
white
listen.
bread.
Now you will be quiet. Look at the screen now. If you talk, you will not be able. Listen to me. Listen to me. Good morning. Listen. Listen. Look at the screen. What is written there? Write this in classwork note. You don't write that now. You just open your classwork. I want to start. I want to start. I want you to start in a new page. This. Just write. Children, please take a new page. Write on the first line, food. Please open your new page in your classwork note. I will just start it. I won't be able to complete. You will have to complete it, written work. Now just take a new page. I will wait. Just take a new page. Just take a new page. Write on the first line FOOD. That means food. Write lesson 2 L2 food. Sorry, I forgot to write over here. Just write on the first line L-2, capital L. That is lesson 2. I think you haven't started anything in your classwork for food lesson. Now we'll start. As I take class, I'll give you notes. FOOD. Have you written, children? One of you just answer me. Lesson 2, food.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Very good. Now enough. Turn off your mic. Now, next line. Write name any two. Just few things. It's not necessary for you to write what I wrote. You can write general answers from what you learned. Okay, what you have seen already. Name any two. NAMEANY. Name any. ANY. Two. TWO. You can write only in capital letter and you can write cursive. Yeah, I cannot do that. Name any two. Yes, then don't talk, ma. Leave a line. 1. See how it's written 1. Leave a line. 1. Leave a line. 1. See, children, I won't be able to finish. That's what I'm starting. Otherwise, you will not complete it. It will be in recording. Then you can write it later. First one, capital FOOD. Food. Hope you are writing because I will ask you to show your book after class. FOOD, food. Leave space. You just keep your finger over there. Leave space. Right. F R O M. Parents, I don't want you to write. I want the children to write. Food from FROM, from plants. Only one we are going to write now. See, PLANTS.
Ma'am.
Please listen, children. Only one child is going on talking and disturbing the whole class. Now, write the first question, food from plants. And the next line, don't leave any line. Next line, in the margin or inside, you just put A. Any kind of food from plants. What food you can get? You can write fruits, pulses. You can write fruits, vegetables. You can write cereals, pulses. So, write, those who don't know how to write general answers, write from the screen over here. Just write the first one, fruits. Put A, you can use small a or capital A. Fruits, first one. Leave space. How it's written? Same way. Just leave little space. It's clearly shown. Now write B, pulses. Only this much we can write because please don't say thank you now. You write fruits. 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 Leave little space. Write B, pulses. I told you can write your own answers. It's not necessary, but it should be correct. When I check your notebook, it should be there. Next previous class, I will check. Now, pulses. B, pulses. Okay. Now, don't write the second one. You have to leave a line to write second one. Okay. Everyone, after writing first one, A and B, leave a line, then number 2. This can be done later. Now listen to me. Let me check your notebook. Okay, now class is over. You have to get ready with your maths class for classwork note for the next class because I have given you one worksheet. I'm going to answer and I'm going to ask you the answer. Okay, wait. One of you tell thank you means that's all. Now see, all these things are there. Understood? Now, 1 minute. I want Adonia.